It's banana?
Yeah, banana.
Sweet one?
Sweet.
But we eat vada first, yeah. Wanna eat vada. Deep fried, like deep fried donuts. This fried banana. I'm gonna try the banana. Oh, it's good. You like it? I had the banana first. I'm going for the vada.
Two.
Yeah. Yeah. I think this is made of lentils, and we have some onions, some chili. This is very good. I've had better than this. They're supposed to be a bit crispy, but it's been laying there in for a while. Let's see what they have, what he has. No, is this hot?
Sweet.
No, I don't want this.
No.
What is this ball? Is this the sweet one?
Sweet.
The sweet one? I take one?
Yeah.
What's the name of this one? What's the name?
His name Gund. Gund.
Gund.
Ball.
This is Gund.
Gund means ball.
It was okay, a bit sweet. This dessert?
Jaggery.
I had 2 vada, 2 fried bananas. It's not whole bananas, it's like slices, and 1 gund.
Yeah.
How much is this?
Gund.
How much? Same?
80 rupees.
Same
price.
Our bomb.
8 rupees all.
Every piece is 8 rupees each. Very, very good. This is a like hole in the wall place.
Anything you can take. And tea also.
Yeah. People coming, going, just finishing lunch and leaving for back to work. Very good.
Then it will be breakfast and the lunch between.
In between.
Yeah, in between breakfast.
Ah,
and
this is brunch.
the light refreshment.
Yeah. A small snack in between lunch and breakfast. Breakfast and lunch. And it's just what I told my uncle I wanted to have something small. Just a snack, because we're going on a boat tour later, but I'm not hungry. I cannot eat a full lunch, so this is perfect. We're done with the brunch. Yeah, the snack in between breakfast and lunch. It was very good. I really like the food in Kerala. It's so good. I have to stop myself from overeating on every meal. Every meal is so good, so good. And I've had mostly home-cooked meals here in Kerala because I stay with my family. So the food has been so good, so good. And this was also good. And very affordable. It's 8 rupees a piece. Me and my uncle, we had 8 pieces. I'm not good at math, so you do the math. And now we're full and ready for the next mission. Not mission, but next next activity. And I forgot to mention, next activity in this case is gonna be a fresh juice. We're gonna find a nice juice stall, a hole in the wall juice stall, and grab a juice. I don't know which one. You ready?
Okay.
Okay, let's find some juice.
Oh yeah. Find some.
Looking for the juice. Found our place. Yeah. Which juice? Mixed juice. Yeah, I'm gonna try a mixed juice. Oh. Milkshake? Wow, that was quick.
You want to sit in there?
I want the juice.
Right. It's okay?
Yeah, it's milkshake.
Yeah. Orange is here also.
Yeah, orange
Orange.
mixed pineapple.
Yeah.
You pineapple orange mixed juice. Thank you. Very good. Delicious. Like everything. Now I'm drinking the Sharjah shake, and I had a pineapple orange juice, fresh juice, and it cost 35 rupees. 35 rupees each. And this is a type of milkshake, I would say. It's like frozen milk and fruit. I don't know which fruits. It's okay. It's okay. So yeah, 2 drinks, 70 rupees. Now we're going on a boat trip on the Kerala backwaters.